In this video I'm going to be converting this cable clutch B-series trans to a hydro clutch B-series trans. I'm going to be using this cheap kit that I got off eBay. These are the only 3 pieces that will be usable from the kit. I had to contribute a stud, a nut, 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and a bunch of my own washers. If you aren't willing to add these to the kit, or if you don't have this stuff at home, I would suggest going with the Hassport kit. It's more expensive, but it will come with everything you need and you won't have to add anything of your own. I'm just going to remove the clutch fork very quickly using a 12mm socket, 1 bolt back here, slight twisting motion, just pull it out. The Hassport kit actually comes with a template for where you need to drill the hole for the slave, but obviously I do not have that template, so I'm going to put the bracket on, bolt the slave on, and then determine where the hole needs to be on the clutch arm. The bracket goes on with the 2 bolts at the top. So now that I have the bracket and the slave installed, I can rotate the clutch arm and determine that the hole should be right about, let's see, right about here, I'd say. It's a bit to the right, as you can see, but when it's at sitting where it would be sitting, that's dead on with the slave. Alright, now that I've got the hole marked where I need to drill the hole, I'm using a 5/16 bit and my drill press, and I'm going to start drilling. Now that the hole is drilled, I'm going to start setting this up inside using an equal amount of washers on each side. Now that that is installed, I'm going to continue with the final assembly. Okay, that's final install. Here you can see everything's lined up pretty good. Full motion. I reused the boot. You could cut the excess here, but just in case we ever have to sell this trans or use it in a cable car like an EF, we'll still be able to do that. So I might just keep it. We'll see.